Hey everyone, it's Dom from Roaming the Realm here. So today we're just going to do a little video on the install of the GRUNT Tailgate seal kit for the Toyota Hilux. So you're asking, why did I go for the GRUNT Tailgate seal kit? Well, basically it's because it keeps the water, the dust and the road debris out of my vehicle in the tub. So they have a seal kit that'll fit most makes and models. So if you jump on their website, I'm sure you'll find an application for yourself. So we're actually going to find out if this truly does work. We've got a trip to the outback, out Silverton way, to the Mundi Bash. There's going to be some dust, debris there, so we'll find out if this actually really works. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to give all the surfaces a nice quick clean before we apply any of the rubber. We'll measure it all up and then I'll get back to you and we'll go from there. So all my surfaces I've cleaned, so I'm going to put the corner pad on this right hand corner to start with. If I can get it off. There we go. Alright, so next I'm going to get the long bed seal. I'm going to place it along the tub here. So next part of the puzzle, this steel reinforced strip, I'm going to place along the edge of the tub here. Alright, next piece of the puzzle is the left corner pad. It's going to be attached just like we did the right one. A little bit of pressure again, and that part's done. Alright, so now we've got the left side reinforced strip, and that's going to go here on the side of the tub. Alright, so the last section, this seal is just going to follow the whole contour of the back tail light. So that was it, the install of the GRUNT Tailgate seal kit. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you on the next one. You.